Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold down the rear seats in your Honda Civic. I'm also going to show you how much cargo space you get when you fold down those seats. This is a 2016 Honda Civic EX. The process should be very similar in a 2017, 2018, or 2019. Let's take a look. We'll pop the rear trunk and head back there. Alright, so we have the trunk popped there, and what we're going to be doing is looking for these handles. There's one here on the left hand side and one over here on the right hand side. And what these handles do is when you pull them, they release the left hand side and the right hand side of the rear seat. So let's go ahead and pull that first one. Hear a little pop over there, and pull the second one and you'll hear another pop in there. So now we're going to head over to the inside of the car and check out what happens. Alright, so once we get inside the car, what we're going to be doing is actually just grabbing this by the headrest, and we can fold down the whole seat. It fits in right behind the driver's seat there. There's a bit of a contour here so the headrests fit in there. So that's the 60% portion, and I'll walk around and do the other side as well. Alright, so we just grab this one by the headrest and pull it forward. And it does fold quite flat. There's quite a bit of room there. You can see the opening is fairly large. It's about 16 inches maybe by 3.5 feet, so you can fit some snowboards through there. I had a weed whacker going through there the other day. Just some longer stuff, maybe some smaller moldings, that sort of thing. So there's quite a bit of space, and definitely helps you out if you're moving cargo around. So closing the seats up is quite easy as well. You just take them and actually just push them back, give them a little click, and they pop back into place. What's happening there is that metal clip is actually clipping into that slot there. So again, it's quite easy to do. Just fold that back, give it a shove, and they're locked into place nice and solid. So I hope this video helped you out on folding down the rear seats in your Honda Civic. If it did, please give the video a thumbs up. Also, if you'd like to subscribe, I've got plenty of videos coming up that I'd love to share with you. Thanks again for watching, and take care.